Meaning of ice lolly.
Ice lolly.
Ice lolly.
Ice lolly.
Ice lolly. Ice lolly is a frozen treat that is commonly enjoyed as a dessert or snack during warm weather. It consists of a flavored liquid, typically fruit juice or a sugary syrup, that is frozen around a stick or handle. The result is a refreshing, handheld treat that can be enjoyed on the go. Ice lollies are often associated with childhood memories and evoke feelings of nostalgia for many people. They are available in a wide range of flavors and colors, making them a fun and versatile option for anyone looking to cool down during the summer months.